Beag Broch is the broch on the Isle of Skye. You can see the broch up on that hill. It's going to be a short walk. Come on, let's go. The broch might have looked like this, with the stairways going up all around between double walls. The brochs, they are believed to be over 2,000 years old. How did they come up with this complex design? Let's go back in time. These are the hunter-gatherers. They lived in caves, and then they started to build shelters. These are the farmers. They lived in roundhouses. This is the stone circle. This is inside a roundhouse. Celtic people used man-made islands and roundhouses. Can you spot a crannock somewhere? Over there. This is a broch. Roundhouses built higher. People believed they would look like. The brochs are made of drystone walls, not mortar. Look, there's a sign. Seen inside the broch. Interesting. They put a seep inside, and they also had floors. People probably had jobs at the broch. For instance, lighting the fire and making the food. And look at the top, it's pointy. Come on, let's go. There's an entrance. I'll see if I can squeeze through. Oh, I wonder what this is. Look at these steps. I'm walking in the footsteps of the people that once lived here. Who were these people? What language do we speak? We know for sure is that they had a great view. This is the broch on the Isle of Skye. Brochs are only found in Scotland. Some probably had a job for watching ships, enemy ones, to see if they came closer and closer. In Cave Nest, people are wanting to build a replica broch. Turing Draster.